wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best folding chairs. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, featuring attractive wood frames, vinyl padded seats and backs, and a sophisticated espresso finish. Nothing about the linon keira says temporary furniture. They're formal enough to be permanent fixtures at a dining room table. The upholstery looks like leather, however the feet may scratch hard floors, and they can wobble slightly. At number 9, the winsome wood occasional are chic and casual, so they'll make a nice addition to a patio or garden party. They fold up compactly too, taking up very little space when stored, though they do require cushions to be comfortable for long periods of time. They're available in 4 elegant finishes and stay looking new after plenty of use, but the seat is too low for tall people. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Flash Furniture Hercules 290 sport a minimalist look that's simple to match to many furniture styles. They're made from durable beechwood and finished with a clear lacquer to make them water resistant. The seats are actually removable for cleaning. The back is comfortably angled and they have a strong double-braced frame. However, they could use some padding on the backrest. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for folding chairs, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the best choice product Sky 1841 come 5 per order and are perfect for weddings or other formal events thanks to their all-white design. They stack together compactly and lock into place when folded upright for convenient storage. They're equipped with non-marring rubber feet and are lightweight and easy to carry, but they're not sturdy enough for heavy people. Moving up our list to number 6. If you regularly host events both indoors and out and need basic portable furniture that will look appropriate in a variety of settings, the Lifetime Classic Commercial Grade have you covered. They have contoured seats for comfort and are lightweight enough for anyone. These are made of stain-resistant materials and are easy to wipe clean. They're a durable polyethylene construction. Halfway up our list at number 5. Whether you're adding ambience to your tiki party or want a permanent tropical vibe on your deck, the Heather Ann Creations W27031-BRN8D with their eco-friendly bamboo frames and natural seagrass backs and seats will help you achieve the desired aesthetic. The main panels are hand-woven and they feel firm and supportive. They come in a variety of weave patterns. At number 4, if you want wicker furniture that can stand the test of time, get the Villa rattan. Their seats and backs are made from a material that isn't just strong but also sustainable, so eco-minded individuals will appreciate them. They're equipped with large, comfortable armrests and a sturdy steel frame that's powder-coated for rust resistance. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, with 2.5-inch thick foam padding and an 18-gauge steel frame, the Flash Furniture Hercules MC320AF offer a good balance of comfort and sturdiness. They're triple-braced and double-hinged to stand up to constant use day after day. The cushions retain their shape well and have a fire-retardant filling. The fabric has a pleasant texture. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for folding chairs, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Adams Manufacturing 8575 are a good low-cost option for the home needing some extra seating around the pool, patio or deck. Available in singles, doubles or 4-packs. They're constructed of a durable resin with an UV inhibitor to resist sun damage. The material shouldn't rust or crack, and these can support up to 250 pounds. They're made in the USA. And coming in at number 1 on our list, when you need something that has the look of regular dining room furniture, the Cosco ladder back are the way to go. They come in an espresso option with vinyl upholstery or grey with fabric and are ideal for corporate events or other upscale occasions. They're also available in an X-back model and sport a timeless, elegant style. The seat lifts in one easy movement. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for folding chairs, or simply click beneath this video.